What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to convert photos to PDF on a Windows laptop or on a PC and how we can do this app. So right now I'm going to demonstrate you with an example. As you can see, I'm having one image which is right now a photo over here, or I'll demonstrate you that right now I'm having this particular image which is actually a thumbnail. So now I'm going to change this particular image into a PDF and I'm going to save it on the desktop. So how to do this? So what I need to do is first I need to select the image which I wanted to change. Right click over here, or if you're having multiple images, then you can select this one and this one parallelly by pressing the control key. But you don't have multiple images, you can just uncheck these to make sure that you selected the right device. Right click over here, go to show more options. Now from here go to show more options and go to the print. Now you have to set into the first one under the printer, you have to set into Microsoft print to PDF. Then make sure that you select the right size, that you have to select A4 size. If you find A4 you have to select it or go to the more. If you don't find A4, from here you have to select the A4 size. Make sure the quality has been set into maximum, and right now this is like zoomed in, so we wanted to get out of the zoomed in, so just go to this one, you have to uncheck this. So right now as you can see, it's been set into the correct size over here like this. Now, and if you wanted to change into the portrait, what you need to do is just go over here, click on the options. Now click on the printer properties, and right now as you can see we have options for landscape and portrait. So let me go over here for, if you wanted to keep it on the portrait, you can do it, but I'll keep it on the landscape. Now I have to go for OK, and once you set everything over here and just go to the print. And right now as you can see it will be saved, and now I'm going to give sample PDF, and also make sure that you saved it as PDF over here like this, and I'm going to save this on the desktop. Let me go over here and save it. And once it's successfully done, you have to close this, and if you check over here in the desktop, as you can see it is sample PDF. If I open this, it is actually in the PDF form. Right now as you can see it is actually in the PDF form, and the image has been now changed into what I have to say PDF. And this is quite easy, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.